Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you the steps on how to change primary email address on Facebook. Before getting started, make sure to update your Facebook application to the latest version, and then let's get started. So in order to change your primary email address on Facebook, what you'll need to do is, first of all, you need to log in into your account. After you're logged into your account, tap on the menu bar icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. As you click on the tab bar icon, you'll be directed to the menu page, and right on top you need to click on the gear icon. Click on gear icon, you need to click on settings, and once you click on settings, you'll be directed to settings and privacy page. Under settings and privacy, you'll be able to see a list of options. Under it, there is an option as personal and account info. Click on it. As you click on it, once again you'll have a list of options, but you'll need to click on manage contact info. Once you click on manage contact info, you'll be able to see the contact information linked to your Facebook account. And in order to change your email address, you need to first of all provide your secondary email address. In order to replace it with, you need to click on add email address. On the next screen, Facebook will ask you to add a new email address. After you add a new email address, you also need to verify your email address. So for that, a confirmation email or the code will be sent through an email. So you need to type in the confirmation code, and after that you've added a secondary email. So once you're done adding a secondary email, then once again you need to head back to the same page right over here. You'll have similar interface such as you have on the contact information or the phone number. Now you'll have two different emails linked to your Facebook account, so you'll need to remove one of these in order to change it or replace it with. So once you do that, you'll have a confirmation. So for the confirmation, you'll need to type in the password associated with your Facebook, and then you've successfully changed your primary email address on Facebook. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.